The iPhone 17 Pro Max has recently been showcased in a hands-on video, revealing a significant design trade-off that may intrigue potential buyers. Apple appears poised to make a bold statement with this latest iteration. While much of the speculation surrounding the new iPhone models has focused on the smaller, lighter iPhone 17 Air, understandably so, as it represents the latest innovation, it's essential not to overlook the conventional powerhouse, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Apple has not forgotten its flagship model, and neither should consumers. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature an upgraded rear camera design, including a 48 megapixels telephoto lens and a 24 megapixels front camera. Additionally, it is expected to support dual video recording, allowing users to capture footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. Moreover, this flagship device may incorporate vapor chamber cooling technology for enhanced sustained performance and an impressive 12 gigs of RAM. However, these advancements come with a trade-off. A recent leak of a dummy unit by Majin Buu on X suggests that the iPhone 17 Pro Max may be noticeably thicker than its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has typically leaned towards a sleeker profile. According to a social media video, the mock-up of the iPhone 17 Pro Max appears to be thicker than the current model. Here are the reported dimensions for comparison. Please note that these measurements are based on a prototype and may vary upon the official launch. 1. iPhone 16 Pro Max, 8.25mm thick. 2. iPhone 17 Pro Max, 8.725mm thick. This one is still a rumor. This represents an increase of approximately half a millimeter. While this may seem minor in the grand scheme of things, it suggests that Apple is not solely focused on producing the thinnest and lightest device possible. For consumers who opt for the Pro Max models, myself included, the priority often. Apple appears to be focused on maximizing battery capacity in its upcoming high-end smartphone. By increasing the thickness of the device by less than a millimeter, the company may be able to enhance battery life, resulting in longer intervals between charges. This improvement could solidify the phone's reputation as one of the best on the market. While analyst Buu has a commendable track record of accurately predicting Apple developments, such as the recent name change to iPhone 16e, it is prudent to approach this leak with caution, as it has not yet been officially confirmed by Apple. We are unlikely to receive any formal announcements regarding the iPhone 17 series until September, when Apple is expected to unveil its latest updates. Historically, the company has introduced new iPhones in the early part of September, and this trend is anticipated to continue with the iPhone 17 lineup. However, the iPhone 17e may not debut until early 2026, according to insights from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo and a report from The Information. The iPhone 17 series may be the last to adhere to this traditional fall release schedule. Starting with the iPhone 18, Apple is rumored to be restructuring its release strategy, with lower-cost models launching in the first half of the year and premium Pro versions being released later. However, this change is not expected to take effect until 2026, so consumers can still anticipate the iPhone 17 Pro becoming available this autumn. Typically, pre-orders for new iPhones commence on the Friday following the announcement, with the devices being delivered approximately 1 week later. In addition, Apple is reportedly considering shifting a significant portion of its U.S. iPhone manufacturing from China to India. This move could help the company avoid many of the recent tariff increases, thanks to a reciprocal tax exemption list that includes various phones, laptops, and other devices produced by Apple. While current reprieves may provide temporary relief, reciprocal tariffs could still impact costs by the time the iPhone 17 is launched. On May 23, President Trump threatened Apple with a 25% tax on any iPhones manufactured outside the United States. Later that day, he expanded this threat to include all cell phones, indicating that a 25% levy would be imposed by the end of June unless companies shifted their operations to the U.S. Regardless of the outcome of these tariffs, Apple is reportedly planning to increase iPhone prices later this year, as noted by the Wall Street Journal. The company is likely to attribute this price hike to enhanced features and design costs, aiming to avoid direct blame on tariffs and the potential backlash from Trump, similar to the situation Amazon faced. As a result, consumers should anticipate a higher price for the iPhone 17, irrespective of tariff implications. The iPhone 17 Air may need to compromise on battery life to achieve a more compact design. However, recent reports from Apple Insider suggest that it could incorporate a silicon anode battery, which may help extend battery longevity. Predictions indicate that the iPhone 17 Pro will likely receive a significant battery upgrade. In May, analyst Pew indicated that the standard iPhone 17 would likely feature Apple's in-house A19 chip, while the Pro model may be equipped with the A19 Pro chip. The current iPhone 16 is powered by the A18 processor, which offers improved efficiency for extended battery life. According to a recent report from 9to5Mac, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may measure 8.725mm in thickness, compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 8.25mm. This increased size could potentially accommodate additional battery capacity. Following consumer dissatisfaction regarding the lack of an upgraded 60Hz display on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, speculation surrounding a 120Hz promotion display for all iPhone 17 models is generating excitement. One feature that will not be present in the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro models is an anti-reflective display. According to a source who spoke with MacRumors, Apple has decided to abandon plans for a more scratch-resistant panel due to challenges associated with the coating process. Additionally, industry analyst Pew has indicated that the iPhone 17 Pro Max may feature a reduced size for its Face ID sensor, potentially allowing for a slimmer dynamic island. However, the other iPhone 17 models are expected to retain their current dimensions. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are poised to play increasingly significant roles in the iPhone 17 lineup. To support these advanced capabilities, all iPhone 17 models are anticipated to be equipped with 12 gigs of RAM, as reported by Tipster Digital Chat Station in April. Notably, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has also suggested that this upgrade is likely, as noted by Digital Trends. Given that the iPhone 16 series features 8 gigs of RAM across all models, this upgrade represents a substantial enhancement for the iPhone 17. There has been considerable speculation regarding whether the iPhone 17 Pro will transition from its titanium alloy chassis to an aluminum frame. Recent rumors, as reported by Pew, suggest that the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max will all feature aluminum frames. This information comes from the reputable source Digital Chat Station on Weibo, which claims that Apple is currently testing 200 megapixels camera systems. While the post does not specify which model this pertains to, if accurate, it could indicate that Apple's anticipated shift from Sony sensors to Samsung has been realized. Should this be the case, the iPhone 18 may feature a new 3-layer stacked camera sensor developed by Samsung. Apple's potential upgrade to a 200MP camera would represent a significant leap forward, especially considering that both the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series currently feature a 48 megapixels main camera. Nevertheless, Apple has consistently maximized the capabilities of its camera technology, as evidenced by the iPhone 16 Pro Max inclusion in our list of the best camera phones. In a recent comparative analysis, the iPhone 16 Pro Max narrowly outperformed the Galaxy S25 Ultra in a rigorous 200-photo shootout, showcasing its impressive photographic prowess. This performance underscores Apple's commitment to delivering exceptional camera quality, even within the constraints of existing hardware. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.